If your YouTube banner looks perfect in Canva but gets cut after uploading on YouTube, this is a very common issue. YouTube displays banners differently on mobile, desktop, and TV. If your text goes outside the safe area, it gets cropped. That's why banners look broken. Let us fix using Canva. First, make sure your YouTube banner size is correct. Click on Create and select Custom Size. For YouTube banners, the recommended size is 2560 pixels wide and 1440 pixels high. Once you enter these dimensions, Canva opens a blank design page. This is where you decide whether to use an existing YouTube banner template or continue with a custom design based on your needs, existing or custom. I've already created my design, so I'll continue with this one. This is my design, and you can see it's not aligned correctly inside the safe area. To solve this, I've created a simple safe area template that clearly shows which part of the banner is visible everywhere. You can download this template for free from the link in the description. In this template, the center area is the most important. Anything you place here will show correctly on all devices. Your text and logo should always stay inside this area. Now make sure go to Settings in Canva and enable Show Rulers and Guides. These guides help you mark the safe area accurately. Drag the guides from the rulers and place them according to the safe area markings. Once the guides are set, you can remove the template and adjust your design inside these lines. I'll show you the exact measurements you can use, like 2081 and 488, and 503 and 926. You can remember these values and use the guides even without the template. Don't worry, these guides will not appear in your final image. Take a moment to adjust your design so all important elements stay inside the safe area. Make sure your logo, text you want to show on all devices should be placed in safe area correctly. Here we put all important texts inside safe area. When you're done, download the banner from Canva and wait for the file to finish saving. It will take few seconds to download. After that, we will put it on YouTube and we will see how it perfectly with the safe areas. After finishing download, let's upload it on YouTube. It will take some moment. Now let's check here. Now we can see now it fits perfectly and looks correct on all devices. You can design your banner very easily with this method. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more practical Canva and design tips. Thank you for watching.